Autonomous electric vehicles, self-driving EVs are expected to revolutionize transportation, reducing the need for human drivers and making travel safer and more efficient. Smart charging. Innovations like vehicle-to-grid technology could allow EVs to act as mobile energy storage units, helping to stabilize the power grid and reduce energy costs. Shared mobility. The rise of electric ride-sharing services and car-sharing platforms could reduce the need for personal vehicle ownership, further decreasing emissions and urban congestion. Sustainability in manufacturing. The entire EV lifecycle, from manufacturing to disposal, is becoming more eco-friendly with efforts to use recycled materials and improve battery recycling processes. The future of electric vehicles is bright, with new technologies making them more accessible, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Conclusion: 9 to 10 Sao. Electric vehicles are driving the automotive industry towards a sustainable future. From their humble beginnings in the 19th century to the groundbreaking innovations of today, EVs are transforming how we think about transportation. With improved battery technology, expanded charging infrastructure, and a global push for cleaner air and lower emissions, the future of this article is optimized for generating a 10-minute video using in-video AI.